and today we're
Match
going
it.
to talk about. So in this app, we're going to talk about kids matching game, in which we have two sections. So before watching this video, like the video, subscribe the video, comment the video, which another app introduction you want next, and don't forget to install the app. So we're going to start with Match It. So when we open this page up, we see a small example of matching things up, and we have the matrix sign, then we have the mute and mute button that you can mute and mute, and then there are blocks coming in front of us having quizzes. So it's ABCD 1 to 3, shapes, colors, and times. And below we have more apps, that is brain teaser, spelling practice, and even more maths games. So please go and download them or install them, because they would be more preferable. And the next video is coming soon for brain teaser. So we will start this Match It game today. So we are going to start with nothing but ABCD. Now when we open the page up, we see a thumbs up and thumbs down sign. We see a mute and unmute button, and we see a reuse button in which we could change the slide. So like when we go in this thing, you see that button, you click it, so it's changed. Like we are on the next level, going slowly on the next level. So now we're going to start playing this game, and I'm going to show you.
D is for
So
dog.
when I do this, I get 2 points in thumbs up, and
A is
that's how
for
it's
apple.
going. I get points in thumbs up, and
B
if
is for
I
ball.
do something wrong, I get 1 point in thumbs down. So I need to do it right, and my stars given on the top, having 5 stars, increases to 4. So we are on the next slide, and I'm going to show you.
H is for hen.
G is for
G is
goat.
for goat.
F is for fish. E
F is for
ink.
fish.
Well, then I get thumbs up, thumbs down.
E is
signs.
for egg.
And
I
I
is
get
for
2
ink.
stars, and it also says that how is your progress in matching things up. That's shown in the menu corner. Now we're going to start with 1, 2, and 3, in which we are having 1 as a dice is shown eventually. So 1, and I get 1
O-N-E-1.
thumbs up. 2 is 4, so I get 1 thumbs down. So, and my stars also increase. Now there are only 2 stars. So now 4 is to 4, 2 is to 2.
F-O-U-R-4.
That's how it all works up with.
T-W-O-2.
Now, 5 is to 5. So we
T-H-R-E-3.
will go to the main menu, and that
F-I-V-E-5.
shows that how is your progress. Now I'm going to start with shapes. Now you see a star sign, so you need to find out. Starfish, isn't it matching? I get 1 thumbs up, and my stars are the same. So why don't we do this with mute button, because we need to test. So here she's not even saying a single word. Like box is for box, circle is for clock. No, I think that this goes. Yeah, so circle is for clock, because I got 1 thumbs down sign, and that's how she shows my progress. Now we're gonna go to colors. So let's check colors. White, green
White.
to green, orange
Green.
to orange. Well, I said yellow, so I got 1 thumbs down. It's
Orange.
almost the same
Yellow.
in all cases, but we
Black.
have more than 100 match it stuffs. Now I'm gonna go to time. Now this is the most interesting part for kids to learn. I did a mistake over there is that I took in between. That would be wrong. That
12 colon 15.
And I would get 1 thumbs down. So you gotta be really, really, really so clear with it. So here we
12
are.
colon 30.
So eventually I'm
12
having
colon
4
45.
stars.
12
And
colon
I'm
0
completing
0.
my thing. So
1
here I'm
colon
getting
0
shown. So we go
0.
to the next level and try out next level. That is 2 to 130. No, it's not 130, it's 115. 115. So I'll go to 150. And
1
here we
colon
go on.
15.
So I get 3 stars. This is learn time, so we are actually learning time.
2 colon
We can see the
15.
arrows, and we can just
1
click
colon
it down
30.
on the perfect box. So
1
that's how
colon
it is.
45.
So
2 colon 0
that is
0.
how this game works. Match It game works. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the video as I said earlier. So please try it out. And thank you. So here this session ends. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. So match it. Don't forget to. Hey guys.